Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install some games on a Samsung Galaxy M04, but you can't seem to find it in a Google Play Store. And to do this, first let's try to find any games like Call of Duty. As you can see, it's right here, but we can't even click on it. And let's also try Diablo. It's not even visible. And to fix both of those issues, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, open settings, enter family, then parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code, select OK, and increase PG to 16 or 18. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if we look for the games again, Diablo is right here and Call of Duty also right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.